Welcome to my channel Raza Cool in English. Before doing AC service, you should check AC properly and then start servicing AC. First of all, by opening the front cover, take out the filter net of the AC. After that you remove the swing flap. Note that the swing flap of AC is very delicate. After that open both the lock and screw below it. After that you lift the cover upwards and take out the cover. Keep in mind that there is a lock on the top of the cover. With the help of a screwdriver, take out the lock. Remove the cover by removing the wire connector of the display. After that take out the drain assembly. Drain assembly is very easy to remove. After that take out the drain pipe from the drain assembly and take out the drain assembly by opening the swing motor. Now you have to pay attention that cover the PCB well with the help of polythene so that water does not enter the PCB and fan motor. PCB and fan motor can get damaged due to water. And then put the washing cover in the indoor unit and start washing the indoor unit. First of all, clean the blower with jet pump. After that start cleaning the cooling coil with the jet pump. Before cleaning the cooling coil, you should note that the pressure of the jet pump is not too high. Excessive pressure can damage the cooling coil. Put the jet pump pressure in the drain pipe cleans the pipes. If the cooling in your AC has reduced or the air throw has reduced and it is taking too much time to cool down the room, then you should get your AC cleaned with a jet pump. If you want, you can also wash the indoor cover with jet pump. I am cleaning this cover with the help of surf water and brush. Cleaning with brush also has many advantages. The brush rubs well by going to every corner. Dry all the ingredients till some water comes out and wipe it thoroughly with dry cotton cloth. Now clean the outdoor unit with a jet pump. It is very important to clean the outdoor unit in AC servicing. It looks like there is no garbage in the outdoor unit, but it does not happen. When you clean it with a jet pump, frozen dust will come out of it, and the electricity bill of your house will also be saved by using AC. Now while cleaning with water pressure, pay attention that the fan motor is installed in front of the outdoor unit. The fan motor may get damaged due to water. Keep cleaning the outdoor unit until the color of the running water changes. Go ahead, it is very important to clean the outdoor unit. Now take out the washing cover and polythene of the indoor unit and wipe the indoor unit thoroughly with a dry cotton cloth. Now you install the drain assembly by attaching the swing motor and drain pipe to the drain assembly. Now fit the cover in the same way as the cover was opened, and also attach the display wire. Engages both the screw and the lock. Also put the sensor and wiring cover on. After that you also seat the swing flap. Keep in mind the swing flap is very delicate, don't be in a hurry. After that you also put the filter net. Then put the front cover on. Hope you have understood the information given by me. Then do like my video.